Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Land Rover Discovery. What we do first, we make sure we go to settings and we make sure Bluetooth's on. So Bluetooth's on there. Then we're watching out at the bottom. But from the home screen, I'll just show you. So it's on navigation there. We want to go to the home screen. We just click the picture of the house and you see their phone, tap to connect phone. Now, there's also another way, more difficult to get to, but you just slide that across there till you get to Bluetooth. Click Bluetooth, pair new device. That's essentially the screen you come to before, but at least you know now. Use your device to search for Land Rover Discovery. So we're just waiting here, it's thinking about it, it's looking for something. I have just deleted this phone from this system, so normally it doesn't take this long. There you go, Land Rover Discovery. So we'll click on that. Watch out over here. Verify these numbers match the display on Barry's iPhone 13 Pro 689771. They do, so we click pair and then we click yes there. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. And then let's just go up here, Land Rover connected. That's it done.